Most AI assistants have one big problem. They don't actually get better. You open something like ChatGPT, you explain what you want, maybe even build a workflow. And then the next time you come back, it's like starting from zero. Same instructions, same setup, same repetition. At some point you realize something. You're not building a system, you're just using a tool. And the reason for that is simple. Most AI tools don't remember and they don't improve. But what if your AI could actually learn from you? Not just respond, but evolve. Not just follow instructions, but build skills. That's exactly what Hermes Agent does. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from AI Academy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your first AI agent from scratch, step by step, and get it running 24/7 on your own server. But here's the catch that most people miss. AI agents are only as powerful as the infrastructure that they run on. If you try to run something like this locally on your laptop, it breaks. It goes offline when your computer sleeps, it loses memory when things restart, and it can't scale beyond basic use. That's why in this video we're using Hostinger, because it removes all the technical setup and gives your AI a permanent home, so it can run continuously, store memory, and actually improve over time. Before we jump into building, let's make this simple. Hermes Agent is a self-improving AI assistant built by Nous Research. Unlike normal AI tools, it has something called a learning loop. That means every time it completes a task, it creates a reusable skill. It refines that skill and it stores it in memory. So over time, your agents get better at doing exactly what they need to do. It also supports over 200 AI models through platforms like OpenRouter, as well as direct integrations with OpenAI and Anthropic. And beyond that, it can connect to Telegram, Slack, or Discord, automate tasks on a schedule, run multiple agents in parallel, browse the web, and extract data. So this isn't just a chatbot, it's a system. Let's set this up together. First, go to the link in the description below or go to hostinger.com/x. Once you're there, you should land on the Hermes Agent VPS page. If you're on the correct page, you will see Hermes Agent mentioned, a VPS plan already selected. That means the setup is pre-configured for you. Now click deploy and you'll see a few different options. You can select 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. Towards the right, you will see have a coupon code. Select that and type in X and apply, and you will see your discount applied. If you're starting out, go with one of the basic plans. It's more than enough to run your first agent and even test multiple workflows. And the reason this works so well is because you're not paying per agent. You can run as many agents as your VPS can handle. So as you grow, your system scales with you. Once you have added in your coupon code, you can then select continue and checkout. Now let's actually launch your AI environment. Once you're on Hostinger's dashboard, in the left column, scroll down to VPS, then select Manage and click Docker Manager. Quick explanation. Docker is just a system that packages everything your app needs so it runs smoothly. The important part is that you don't need to configure anything manually. Once you're in Docker Manager, you then want to click Compose, click Deploy, and then you will see a search template. Here we're going to type in Hermes Agent. You will then see it appear and click Select. Make sure that you document your username and password. Once you have documented your username and password, click Deploy. Now just wait. This usually takes 20 to 60 seconds. If you came directly from the Hermes landing page, the template may already be pre-selected. In that case, you can just deploy immediately. Once deployment is complete, you will see Access and under that Open. You then want to click Open and you want to type in your username and enter your password. Then select Sign In. You are then presented with an option, Quick Setup or Full Setup. So we are going to select Quick Setup, then select Nous Portal. We then want to open this link. We are going to select Free and then subscribe and connect. Then sign in with either your email or another option. Once you have connected everything, it will then say you can close this page and continue setup in Hermes Agent. So we then have available free models, Xiaomi, enter custom model name, or skip keep current. So I'm going to select skip and keep current. We then set up messaging now. You can then choose your platform. I'm going to select WhatsApp. Then it says launch Hermes chat now. We're going to type in Y and hit enter and we're ready to go. Now we build your first agent. So we are going to give it a name and call this Research Agent. It's then asking what would you like the Research Agent to do, and it presents us with some possibilities, but we are going to tell it exactly what to do. So we are going to tell it to monitor competitor websites and summarize key updates. then hit enter. It then needs a few details before we continue. It's asking for the website. So I will then go to YouTube and find a website for it to research and update me on. Once you find your website, copy the link. Once you have copied your website URL, you want to paste it into Hermes and select enter. Hermes is now asking for more input. How often should I check for new videos and where should I deliver the summaries? So it's giving us every hour, twice a day, once a week, or other. I'm going to select once a week. So I will scroll down and hit enter. Now it's asking where should I deliver the weekly summaries of new videos from Life with Kyle and Kate. So it says this chat, Discord, Telegram, email, or other. So I would like it to notify me on WhatsApp. So it's now saying you want the summaries delivered to WhatsApp instead. I'll need your WhatsApp number or contact to set that up. So it wants our country code and WhatsApp number. So I will type in my country code and WhatsApp number. Once I've typed in my number, simply hit enter. You now have your first AI agent. We are now going to run the task. So in the chat box, type in run task and hit enter. The first time it runs, it may take a little longer. That's normal. It's breaking down the task, figuring out the process and building a skill. As you can see, it's been triggered. The summary is running now and will be delivered to my WhatsApp shortly. Now here's where things get interesting. Run the same task again later. You'll notice it's faster, more structured, and more accurate. That's because Hermes has created a reusable skill. It learned from the first run and now it's improving. This is what makes Hermes different. You're not repeating work, you're building something that compounds. I've already made it accessible to my WhatsApp number, but if you would like to add any other platform, simply type it into the chat box and you can connect Discord, Slack, or other apps. Now instead of running tasks manually, you can automate them. So earlier on, I was given a message of how often I would like a report and I selected once a week. If you would like to change this, you can type it in the chat box and tell it how often you would like a report. That could be daily, weekly, monthly, it's up to you. Now your AI runs automatically every day or however often you selected it without you needing to touch it. And because it's running on your VPS, it never stops. Once this is working, you can go further. Create multiple agents, one for research, one for content, one for analysis. You can even break tasks into sub-agents that run parallel. This is how you build a full AI workflow system. And Hermes supports more advanced features like browser automation, plugin systems, custom agent personalities, and execution in isolated environments. So what you're building here can scale a lot further than this tutorial. Why the setup is powerful. Everything you just built runs on your own VPS. That means your API keys stay private, your data stays yours, and your workflow stays secure. And because it's using persistent storage, your agent never loses its memory, even after restarts. Here's a quick recap. You got your VPS, deployed Hermes in one click, created your first agent, ran a task, watched it learn, connected messaging, and automated it. And now you have an AI that actually works for you. Most people are still using AI manually, but the real advantage is here. Building systems. Hermes gives you an AI that learns, improves, and runs continuously. And Hostinger makes it incredibly easy to deploy. If you want to run your own self-improving AI assistant with zero setup, persistent memory, and complete data privacy, go to hostinger.com/X and use the code X to get a discount on your Hermes Agent VPS. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to AI Academy, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.